Hello everybody, welcome back to Sons of the Forest, episode 3. We ended last episode with some tension. We're going to see how we can get out of it. Alright.
You got this.
I don't know if they've disappeared. The woman's back.
It's fine, you can kill her. Just stab her.
No, her She's our best friend? Why is she like pointing? Is she okay? Oh, she just did the biggest jump I've ever seen in my life. I don't know where the monsters have gone.
Maybe they...
Oh my god, they're on me!
Oh my god. You'll be
Right.
alright. You'll be alright.
I'm still dirty. I'm having a massive swim. I'm the biggest swimmer.
Hey. Get stabbed!
It's 5:30.
Killed.
They're not attacking me. They're attacking Kevin. Kevin's just collapsed on the floor.
Oh my god, we have to revive him.
Quick, revive him. Oh my god. Stabby, stabby.
I got him. He's up, he's up.
Yeah, die. Oh, jump equals success.
He's running.
Oh,
Make sure you kill them.
I'm scared.
We have a fire. Watch out, Josh, behind you!
We need to sleep. I just stabbed Jake in the leg.
Fire, no.
I just stabbed Jake in the leg.
We need a fire.
Sleep, no, we need to
fire.
sleep, bro. We can't see. Sleep. Oh, eat. Zed. Get to me. Get in bed with me, darling.
Maybe we just run away.
And then, have we got food? Have some ramen noodles. Oh, ramen noodles.
I got cooked food.
There we are.
Now.
Pick that up. Get
Yeah.
Kevin to follow.
Yeah. Make sure he doesn't destroy
Follow
my
me,
game.
Kevin, Cled, whoever you are. Oh, what a shot.
Go this way.
Let's go.
Come. Oh, there's a person! And there's a moose!
Oh, there's a moose!
Oh, there's a person!
Stabby.
Keep stabbing! He said. It's a moose, he's gone. We have to get away, we just have to run him.
Yeah. There's a big eyeball in our... Oh, the eyeball was gone, but still.
Yeah. I feel like we make it to the shore.
There's a river, like, on the left. Should we have a look over here?
Yeah, let's have a
There's a
look.
camp on the right as well.
Oh, there's more enemies.
Bro, they're, like,
Remember,
climbing.
all of them are different.
Let's try and see what's going on in this camp.
Wait, watch out, they could drop on us. Oh shit!
Oh my god! Me? Take damage, you lose armor.
I'm the.
There's a camp here.
Oh, we can.
Oh, we could sleep and save. Oh my god, the moose! No, we need to be strategical here. Got aim.
Another one though. There's not.
Bro, that
No,
is a...
because We'll lose it.
Bro, that is a big moose. We gotta go for a headshot. Gotta go for a headshot.
It won't. It doesn't kill it first shot. I don't think. We may have to make another one. Oh,
Oosh!
you didn't hit it. Oh my god, you did.
Stabby!
Keep coming.
Oh my god, it's fast!
I'm good. Look at you.
Oh, can we make a bow?
Okay.
How do we make bow?
Fine.
Craft bow.
What about arrows?
Oosh.
I have no more sticks. Do you have any sticks?
I'm scared! Alright, here we go, guys. We have made... How many arrows do we get? 4. So how does this work? Oh, I got the repair tool, by the way. I made that in last episode. Oh my god, it just attaches it. Jake, look at me.
1 second.
Does it use the arrow? Or can I pick up the arrow?
I'm making more arrows.
Yeah, you can
I've
pick
got
up...
8 arrows.
You can pick up the arrows, just to let you know. The bow does not have durability. Right, let's not fall down that mountain.
So
What is that sound?
it's camp. I do see a camp. It's I have an eye. Come to me. We get like a bush.
I don't know how I feel about these noises.
I don't know if it's a big camp. I think it might be. Because it sounds like it's quite...
Should we try and get the heights? Let's go right.
Oh my god, there's so many big people.
How
There's
do
so many people.
you
so
feel
many
about
people.
this?
I did not like this. There's a big boy as well. Back. Because there was...
He's coming for you!
Oh my god, run! Run!
Oh my god!
Run! Oh my god,
god.
run here!
Oh my god! 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 Oh my god!
Kevin!
Oh my god! 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 Oh my god!
Oh my god,
Oh my
Ke-
god.
oh my
Oh my
god,
god! Oh my 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 god! Are we taking him on? Nice aiming, bro.
It's like dips.
I hit him in the willy.
Again. It's like dips.
Willy.
Again.
Get.
Pick up the arrows. In the leg. Ah!
I got.
Keep it.
Bro, is he not dying?
He's dead. He's dead.
You sure?
Oh my god. Ah!
Oh my god.
Him! Him again!
Oh my god.
Him again! Him again!
Oh my god, there's another guy. There's a guy with a massive club. Boosh. Oh my god, I just lose a little bit of my armor. Kevin, you are useless. Ow! It hurts. I'm out of stam. I'm out of stam. Kevin keeps dying because he's useless. Oh my god, you're skilled.
I got him! Die! Killed them all!
Oh, I got a bird in the process. Alright, let's just go. Let's just
I'll
go.
run out of someone, I'll run out of someone. We have to kill.
I have four. I have four. Killed the big boy. Yeah, we did.
Yeah. Yeah, here we go. I killed them. Rope!
Oh, ow! Oh, that didn't hurt. That's lucky.
Rope. There's more rope.
Alright, it's time to raid. Oh my god, I can sit on this chair. What do I look like? A knob? Probably.
Right. Look, the chair is bum cheeks. The chair is bum cheeks.
That is disgusting.
Let me
Right.
just don't really get much reward for doing all of that. We just risked the whole life.
Oh, there's like guts and stuff in there. There's only like 2 pieces of rope.
Oh. I'm gonna cook some meat while...
Now I can drink.
Oh. Ah! There's people!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god,
Run,
oh my god,
run,
oh my
run,
god, oh
run,
my
run.
god.
Let's run, bro.
Why is he's pointing at them? Kevin is pointing at them. What are they? Bro, they're hiding behind... Ugh!
Is Kevin following? Oh no.
I think he's just
Oh.
pointing at them. Let's just pretend that nothing happened.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god! No, I just jumped on my chair! Oh my god, did you hear that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Die!
I'm in!
No! Oh my god! Oh my god, Kevin, no!
I can't!
Oh my god, it's such a big bubble! Get up, Kevin! Oh my god, we have armor! Run! I've been here for so much!
Yeah, yeah, we run! Run! Oh my
Kevin's on the ground!
Oh my god. Jay, he jumped me!
Run! No, run! Run! I'm so low on HP! He hit me for so much. Just keep running. Kevin, come!
Come on, Kevin.
They don't like water. We need water. Oh, it's in front of us. Oh my god, oh my god. I don't think they like water.
I think I'm gonna have a heart attack. Oh my god, that sound! Oh,
Those,
I don't know if I can do this. Bro, I've got 3 arrows left.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No, Kevin! I got him!
They got so much armor.
Just run! Just run.
I've got full health. It's fine.
Kevin, why is he running? Where's he going? Where's Kevin going? Look at Kevin.
Bro, this I can't. What is he doing? Bro, what is he doing? Is he okay?
Back.
I just stuck it in. Bro,
Bro, come!
no,
Come.
he's just stolen my axe. He's stolen my spear. Give me my spear. Give me my spear back, please. Mate, he just stole my spear.
The probably reason why they can see.
It's fine.
Follow us.
I'll make a club instead. I'm making a club.
Oh. So if they're coming.
Here he comes. Here he comes.
Oh, it's a drink.
Ah! He just jumped on me. He just jumped me.
Stop. Stop. But
Oh my god.
run. No,
Where's my club when I need it?
Deal with it.
Right. Oh my god. He's jumping me. I don't like this. Can we leave the island, please?
They're gonna keep following us.
Oh my god, there's a box here. There's a box. There's a box. Are we going down here? Should we look what this question mark is?
There's an exclamation mark right near us.
It's not a cave.
Yeah, it's up to you.
Well, it's got to be, because I know you can find a shovel somewhere in this map. So, to get underneath here. Look, there's a shovel icon. Oh my god, he's over there.
Keep running, fuck the exclamation mark. Oh my god! Oh my god!
They're calling for their friends. We need to get home.
Oh my god, what's that noise? It's the wind, oh my.
There's a big treacle.
Oh, there's a deer. Just run, please. From me.
They see me!
Yeah, please.
Hello, friend. Can you tell me why you've got a bush growing for your face?
It's a duck. It's a duck.
Yeah, Jay, open the grave. Look, you get cloth in here. Thing! Oh, I just totally bursted its head open. I'm sorry. But it's also food. And now I'm bloody again. And now I've got meat in my hands. Should we make a campfire here? Get some... cook some meat?
Yeah.
I don't know if I've got any more meat to cook. I've only got one piece.
I got some meat to cook.
Okay, let's do it. I'll do it. I'll get some twigs.
I got... What's that noise?
Me.
Wait.
I've only got one bit. Pro Archer. Here we go.
What's your meat's cooked? Your meat's cooked.
Oh, I missed
Wait.
it!
Oh no, I put 2 down.
I like
Yeah.
rotten food.
Wait, I need to.
It has
I
extra
got 2.
flavour.
Got 2.
There's a boat! There's a boat at the top! It hasn't got anything in it. It hasn't got anything. I got deja vu of this area, Jake. We died here.
Oh my god, here we go.
Here's our campfire. Should we set up camp again?
It's a big boy.
We are 6 o'clock. Good night. Morning, love. Day 7.
It is.
Interesting.
Yeah, bro, the energy drink does a lot.
See if we can see any fish in the water.
Go.
That's it, this is home. We are back
look at-
home in our lovely humble abode.
Where's Kevin?
He's back down there. He's just wandering like a Donny. Alright, I'm gonna chuck 2 meat. I'm gonna start a castle. It's gonna be great. Hello, bird. Nice to meet you.
Got some.
Maybe Kevin? Give us a kiss. Mwah! Kevin?
How are you feeling about this little bit?
Give us a
How are you
kiss.
feeling about this?
Yeah, he's like yo. Like, so it's a wall.
Oh.
Oh! Oh my god! I'm being attacked!
Wait.
Help me!
Oh my god! 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 Oh my god!
I've got my book out! I just hit him in the chest. What is he doing here?
Just keep stabbing him. I'm just...
Give me your arrows back, you dick.
Right, get the arrows. I'm gonna stab him.
He's dead.
Ugh.
Oh my god, that is a massive tree. Things. Enemy! You don't belong here!
Josh, you're on fire. Josh, you're
I'm
on
on
fire.
fire.
Josh,
I'm
you're
gonna
on fire.
die.
Josh, you're on fire.
Bro, he's trying to destroy our base.
Oh, wall.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Go in the fire, you dick.
You just have them. But you have the waves. It happens.
Alright, we can reset, we can reset. Let's,
Finally.
let's, okay, hold on. Okay, let's not, everything. Let's open this up.
Let me just fling this off the mountain. I'm about to pick this up over again.
See. Thank you ever so much, guys, for watching episode 3 of our Sons of the Forest experience. Fingers crossed we can get some more base progression next episode. We'll just see what happens from there. Thanks for watching, guys.